Hi guys, in this video I'll show you how to share screen on Google Meet. First of all, open up your preferred browser and search for meet.google.com. Now you will be redirected to this web page. Here you will find different options. Either you can start a new meeting or just join an existing meeting by using a specific code. Now, click on Start a New Meeting, select Start an Instant Meeting, and your Google Meeting will be started. After your online meeting has started, you will be able to find different options on your home screen. Here, click on Present Now button at the bottom of your screen and a pop-up will appear. There will be various options present inside this pop-up, like you can share your entire screen or your Windows screen or just share the Chrome tabs. All tabs that are running inside your Chrome browser will appear here. Now, click on YouTube or any tab that you have opened in Chrome and then click on the Share button. Here, you will see that the screen sharing has started. Once you are done with it, you can stop sharing your screen by clicking on this Stop Sharing option. Now, go back to your online meeting and you will see your meeting is still going on. So if you want to share your screen again with another Chrome tab, you can click on Present Now to start sharing. Now, you can also share your screen using your mobile device. For that, tap on 3-bar icon at the bottom right of your screen, and this pop-up will appear. Here, tap on Share Screen option and check mark this box. After that, tap on Continue, and then tap on Start Now button to start sharing your screen. So that's all for this video. If this video was helpful, don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button. Thanks.